A massive sinkhole emerged beneath a bustling industrial building in Dalton, Georgia, threatening its very foundation. The challenge was clear: stabilize the structure while addressing the underground failures. Utility asset management, engineers, and excavator collaborated swiftly. The sinkhole's presence demanded a coordinated response. 36-inch caissons were drilled and poured around structural columns for a new support system. New steel beams were installed and welded to existing columns, creating a structural support, allowing repair operations to continue safely. Surrounding soils were stabilized with hydroactive chemical grout. Collapsed culvert sections were carefully removed and replaced. Flowable fill was used to backfill excavated areas, and a new concrete slab restored the facility floor. To rehabilitate the remaining 270 feet of 11 by 7 foot culvert invert failure, utility asset management began by clearing silt and debris. Deformed joints were repaired, and new structural supports were installed. The deteriorated portion of the pipe invert was removed and replaced with 4,000 psi concrete. The entire culvert interior was then lined with a fully structural 8,000 psi fiber-reinforced engineered repair mortar, applied to a minimum thickness of 1.5 inches. Follow utility asset management for more real-world trenchless solutions, engineering collaborations, and infrastructure restoration projects. Got a project? Need some help? Reach out.